Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2023 Porsche Boxster GTS. A lot of you may know I personally own a 2018 Boxster GTS, also finished in Carrera white. Before I bought that car, I didn't drive any of the 4-liter GTSs. And it was about a $30,000 price difference between a comparable 18, 19 GTS versus the 4-liter cars. This is completely different. You know, it's really weird because if I stand right here, this looks just like my car, except I don't. This is a very nice build. A lot of options on this car, and we'll go into that once we get inside. It's very different than the 2.5. Oh, red top. That's gorgeous. All right, you can already see a lot of options here. So let's go through some of the options. You have premium package, sport design package in high gloss black, headlight cleaning systems, system covers in deviated exterior color, supplemental safety bars in exterior color, that's those, door handles in high gloss black, deletion of GTS 4-liter decal, Porsche logo in the back in satin black, 718 logo in rear in high gloss black, exclusive design fuel cap, brake calipers in high gloss black, wheels painted in high gloss black, 20-inch Carrera Sport wheels, deletion of race tags, Alcantara. Adaptive sports seats plus 18-way with memory package, ventilated seats. Hey, I have both those options in mind. I'm happy. Steering wheel and gear lever in leather. Heated multifunction steering wheel. I don't have that. I wish I did, but I don't think you can get it with the race tax. Luggage net and passenger footwell, interior trim painted in exterior color in collaboration or cahoots, whatever, with leather interior. Very cool. Climate control panel painted, first time ever seeing that in person. I kind of like it. Vehicle keys painted in exterior color. Smoking package, which is used to fill that spot. Car is not a smoker's car, very clearly. Seatbelts in Bordeaux red, instrument dials in white, Sport Chrono stopwatch in white, fire extinguisher, pretty cool. Dashboard trim package in leather, door panel trim package in leather, sun visors in leather, Porsche crest on headrest, steering column casing in leather, center console lid with the trim or model. Let's see. Door sill guards in stainless steel illuminated, Bose surround sound, LED headlights with PDLS, light design package, power folding exterior mirrors, lane change assist, and Porsche entry and drive for a current price of $119,900. So it is a lot of money, but it is a lot of car for that money. There you are. All right. So my car is PDK. This is manual. My car is a flat 4. This is a flat 6. My car has a turbo. This one doesn't. Great success. No, not really. Let's see. That works backwards. All right, car. I've already driven it to get here, and it is sensational. So let's see what this is like. We are in sport mode. Obviously, not being a PDK car, you don't have the push to pass in the center, mainly because that worked as a transmission mode more than anything. In this car, I am the transmission mode. However I want to shift is the way I will shift. That is so loud. Obviously, you do have sports exhaust. That's standard in GTS. Sport Chrono is standard in GTS. PTV is standard in GTS. Oh man, the way the engine rings in your ear. To be honest with you, I feel like I'm in a different car. I did not think, going to normal, even with sports exhaust off, the intakes are right there. I did not think it would make as big of a difference as it does. This is almost like jumping from a Boxster S to a 911S. It is not the same car. They look the same. That's about it. This is a completely different car. And I hate to say it, this might be the difference between the Boxster being a sports car and being a super/sports car. This has a supercar feel to it. My car has a sports car feel. What's the main difference, you might ask? It's that sound. It's that sound. It's the way it delivers power. Rev matching is a very nice thing. I know a lot of people hate it, but I'm used to PDK. I can do it myself. I did it in the Amira. Just having it done for you sometimes is nice. And in Sport Plus, it shuts it off. You know, going into this review, I did not think the price difference would make sense. I thought there's no way this car is $40,000, $50,000 more than what my car is. Unfortunately, it is. This is worth the money. this is a good car. And I'm kind of ruined. But you know what? For the price that I paid for mine, I'm still just as happy. Because I know that these exist in the used market, and if I want to make that change, I can. And I love how different it feels, because it makes me know that my flat 4 car is gonna be different than this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.